So it's art snacks time. I've been gone, so that's why this one is so late. And I'm not prepared. Let's see. I don't know if you've been watching my Inktober videos, but those were all done a little bit in advance so that videos would come out while I was gone for a week. Wow. Yeah. Let's see what we got. Ooh, okay. Interesting. So this is, okay, we'll just pull it out. Cute, cute. Sour punch. My little roll up. One is black, probably because it's Inktober, right? So this is all inky stuff, maybe. Oh, and my sticker is gray. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, so these are Marabou, am I on screen? Marabou Graphics Color Fine Liners Skyline. Oh yeah, let's see, it's a street, buildings. Interesting. Set of 4. Very cool. So let's, like I said, I'm not prepared. Am I ever prepared? Never prepared. We like to just do things on the fly, don't we? Alright, let's test out these pens, fine liners. Oh, they're in those colors. Okay, I get it, I think. Okay. Cool. So I think they're all the same size. Yep, just in different colors. There's my version of the skyline. Okay, we'll just add more. Blue. Why not? They're nice. They're just like a really fine. It's like they've got an acrylic nib. It feels like felt, but it doesn't look like felt. So, there, see? I can draw like they do. Just kidding. Those are nice. Oh, the wet test, huh? Yeah, they smear. Okay. So much for that drawing. Yeah. Well, we're just playing right now, right? Alright. Okay. I think this one is probably the Kiritaki Bimoji Food Brush Pen. $8 retail. Art Snacks exclusive? Do you think? Oh yeah, there's Kiritaki. I was looking for something I could understand. Okay. It's on that side. Interesting, like paper wrapped pen. It's kind of fun. Cool. Wet test. Smears. A little. Not bad actually. I bet you if you hit that with the heat tool, both of them, if you hit them with a heat tool, it probably wouldn't do that. But it's pretty, isn't it? It's a pretty pen. Okay. I think I just put that in upside down. Okay. I normally don't put these back in their cases, but... and there's probably a reason. Okay. Nice. Alright. They're gonna be more ink. Inky, inky, inky. Ah, I can always use another jelly roll. So this is a '05 jelly roll. This is classic white jelly roll pen. Let's see if it will write on this tissue paper. Yep, it does. Can you see that? That might be hard to see. And Amsterdam acrylic marker. That primed really fast. So this is acrylic, so when it dries, it will be permanent. But right now it's very wet. See? Watch for you. I know. I'm goofy. Okay. So here are my fun supplies. And now I have to think of something I'm going to create with it. Let's see. My next day is the 15th. I will have to look at the Inktober prompts for the 15th and see if I can whip up something with these supplies.